Welcome, fellow gardeners. Have you ever walked outside and found your beautiful lawn suddenly covered in strange, irregular brown patches? You might think it's drought or disease, but the real culprit could be a silent and destructive pest, the armyworm. These tiny caterpillars can devour your lawn in a matter of days, turning your hard work into a wasteland. But don't worry, in this video, we'll give you a complete guide to fighting back. We'll show you exactly how to identify them and, most importantly, how to get your lawn back to its lush green self. Part 1. What are armyworms and how do you spot them? The first step to winning this battle is knowing your enemy. The fall armyworm, Spodoptera frugiperta, is a pest that gets its name from its tendency to move in large armies, consuming almost any vegetation in their path. A single female moth can lay hundreds of eggs, and within just a few weeks, these eggs hatch into tiny, hungry caterpillars ready to cause destruction. They thrive in warm, humid conditions, which is why late summer is their prime season. A major challenge with armyworms is that they are masters of stealth. They are most active during the cooler parts of the day in the early morning and late evening, making them hard to spot. You're more likely to notice the damage they cause before you ever see the pest itself. The most common sign of their presence is a type of damage called window painting, where they eat the green part of the grass blade, leaving a transparent layer behind. As they grow, these small patches of damage quickly expand into large, noticeable brown areas that seem to pop up overnight. Another subtle but important sign is an increase in birds, especially robins and sparrows, on your lawn. They are natural predators and may be feasting on a fresh supply of caterpillars. Part 2. The soapy water test, a confirmed diagnosis. You've seen the signs, but how can you be sure? The soapy water test is a simple, highly effective way to confirm an infestation. It's a method that provides immediate proof and empowers you to act fast. Here's how to do it. Find a bucket and fill it with about a gallon of water. Add a couple of tablespoons of liquid dish soap. Locate a spot where you see damaged grass, preferably near the edge of a brown patch. Pour the soapy mixture evenly over a 1 square foot area. The soap is harmless to your lawn but highly irritating to armyworms, forcing them to come to the surface within a few minutes. If you see 2 or more caterpillars, you have an active infestation. This simple test is a powerful tool for a quick diagnosis and an immediate plan of action. Part 3, your battle plan, effective organic and chemical solutions. Once you've confirmed the presence of armyworms, you must act fast. Here are the most effective solutions, starting with the safest organic options. Organic Solution 1, Neem Oil. Derived from the seeds of the neem tree, neem oil is a powerful natural insecticide. It works in multiple ways. It acts as a repellent, disrupts the caterpillar's growth cycle, and suppresses their appetite. To use it, simply mix it with water according to the product's instructions and apply it to your lawn with a sprayer. It's best to apply in the late afternoon or early evening when the worms are most active. Neem oil is a great choice because it's safe for pets and other beneficial insects. Organic Solution 2, Bacillus thuringiensis, or Bt. This is a naturally occurring soil bacterium. When armyworms eat a plant treated with Bt, the bacteria release a protein that specifically targets and destroys their digestive systems. It's highly effective and completely safe for people, pets, and wildlife. This is often the go-to solution for organic gardeners because it targets only caterpillars, leaving other beneficial insects unharmed. For severe and widespread infestations, you may need to use a chemical insecticide. Look for products containing spinosad or bifenthrin. Spinosad is a softer chemical and is often approved for organic use, while bifenthrin is a synthetic insecticide that offers a quick knockdown of pests. If you choose this route, always read the label carefully and apply as directed to minimize environmental impact. Part 4. Rebuilding your lawn. The road to recovery. The fight isn't over once the armyworms are gone. Now it's time to bring your lawn back to life. Step 1. Cleanup. Use a rake to gently remove the dead brown grass. This will expose the soil and help new growth come through. Step 2. Aerate the soil. Use a garden fork or an aerator tool to loosen the ground. This improves air circulation and helps water and nutrients reach the grass roots. Step 3. Fertilize and water. Apply a slow-release balanced fertilizer to provide the nutrients needed for recovery. Water deeply and consistently to help new grass take root. Part 5. Prevention is your best defense. The best defense is a good offense. Taking a few simple steps can help you avoid another armyworm invasion in the future. Maintain a healthy lawn. A strong, healthy lawn is less attractive to pests. Make sure your grass is getting the right amount of water and nutrients. Encourage natural predators. Attract birds, ladybugs, and ground beetles to your garden. They love to snack on armyworms and are your best allies in pest control. Mow high. Mowing your grass a bit higher, around 3 inches, encourages a deeper root system and provides shade to the soil, which helps deter these pests. By staying vigilant and implementing these strategies, you can protect your lawn and maintain a beautiful, healthy garden. If you found this information useful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful gardening tips. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!